Alright, so as I arrive on scene, as you see, it's about a 67 Chevelle or something, I'm not really sure, but they lock the keys in the trunk, so here I go, try to get them out. But I want to get in there the non-destructive way. Yeah, exactly. Alright, so what I'm going to do first is I'm going to try rake picking it, and then hopefully that works. If not, I'll move on to the next step. Okay, I'm gonna speed this up about 500% to try to hurry up and get through it.
A few moments later.
Okay, so the raking it process didn't work, so now I'm gonna try to single wafer pick it, and hopefully I can get it done that way.
No, because I play sports and stuff. Oh. And usually whenever I get shoes, I always mess them up. My mom gets mad. She's like,
your kid though, it doesn't matter.
Yeah.
You're loud.
Jill's younger brother went to
Yeah.
He got ready to go, and he did cross country track.
Okay.
So he had all these shoes. They were on size 7.
What we do is, first off, we can, detail this, put real detailing, not just like a simple washing and buffing things out, do all that good stuff. And then
Alright, so that didn't work. Now we go on to drilling it out, which is the last resort, but that for sure will work.
It'll be just like somebody will say, well, what about this? You put that it's amazing. It is amazing.
He was working there, and one of the customers that was working with him tried to get him to come to their company, so he like took all his company, and then Ron offered him more money to come back,
Slow and meticulous. Can't go too fast because you can destroy stuff, so you just gotta go slow and just whew. All right, now this thing, there should be a clamp back here.
There's a clamp right there. That one? Or another one?
Right here. See this thing there? Push this thing out this way. Actually, let me take get all this stuff out of the way. Nice size hole. All right. So this is the clamp here. We got to move this bolt on this one. So you got to unscrew that. See it around there? See this the ring here? See what I'm saying? See this thing here? This one out. This one here. So you just unscrew this.
Wrong way to go.
Left. Trying to do it backwards.
Wrong. I say you're doing the wrong way.
Yeah, I'm trying to do it backwards so we can see it together. If you want to finish that, you gonna be one of replacing it?
Oh,
you
if I
don't
have
have-
to, well.
Yeah. All right, and then just flat here like so.
Oh, that's the clamp. Okay, I got that.
And then this piece.
So when you slide that this way, that pops right out. That's what you're saying, right?
Yep. Come on. All right, and so when the next one that you get, it's gonna have this piece. All this will be connected. Like not party like a lock, party like a lock star, party like a lock, party like a lock star.